In this video, I'll be showing you what will happen if your Labs.py file is incorrect, which the platform will give you a warning message when you try to run a simulation. So we're going to go back into our Labs demo, and you'll see here that we have some simulations that we've already run. I've went ahead and I intentionally created an error in my Labs.py file so that it'll kick the error once we go into the run simulation. So to run the simulation, we will give it a name, error test. And when I click next, you're going to see a warning message. So you'll see here that I have my two correct lines of code, but then I just added in this junk text. And this will give you the option of looking at a pop-up of describing why this is important. And you can even click on a link that'll take you to a Google Doc, which gives you the instructions on how to fix all your code so that it'll run on the Labs platform. To fix this, I'm going to go ahead and delete this junk text. Once I've done that, I have a couple options here. It'll go ahead and give me a recommended commit message. You can change that if you'd like. You can also go directly into GitHub if you need to take a look at your code to see what's going on. And to move forward, now that I'm confident that this is now the correct code for my Labs.py, I can either continue and not commit this code, or I can go ahead and commit it with this update labs.py commit message and move forward, which I'm going to do. So we'll go ahead and click commit and continue. And there, success. I got a notification that it was successful. So now I can click on my system model. I have my time estimate, and there we go. Now my simulation is running. And that is what to do if you get the error message for an incorrect labs.py.